Hello students. Now today we will discuss about those students who are at first time or second time they are giving their board exam, that is school exam of standard 10 or 12. Now for them I am giving this. Before going to this exam, just go through this video. I think it will help you. So before starting, I have to tell you one thing. After the end, if you think it is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more detail. And also don't forget for giving like and share because it helps you for your future all career purposes. Today I will try to discuss about CBSE Board Exam 2019 Class 10 and 12 and their marking scheme. Your exam is knocking at the door. Now, before giving that, you are preparing your last time. Now at that moment, if I able to give you the sample question details or how the marks division is there, then it will be helpful for you. First of all, I should start with the standard 10 because they are giving the exam first time. So, you are to some extent little bit tensed about that. Just go through it. Think that it's help you or not. Now, CBSE board exam, you all know it is about not only that, it is already coming to your steps. So for that, what you prepared, already your syllabus is totally covered, you revised several times, and also you are prepared several mock tests or any others also. Now the time where from your CBSE board you will get the sample questions and study it once. So let's start that. So at first I have to tell you one thing, that your exam will come when from the date I don't have to tell you, but till I want to tell it to you that as per the Central Board of Secondary Education, the date announces that is for CBSE from 15th February to 4th April. So after 4th April, within this 4th April, your exam of standard 10 and 12 will be over. So it is expected then you will get the result by June. Now, as per CBSE, that is Central Board of Secondary Education, the exam date is given then, that is for 15th February to 4th April. This all details you can able to get from the website also, that is www.cbse.nic.in. and here from this website also you will get the sample question papers along with the mark schemes also. Today I will discuss you this mark scheme. Every time before exam this mark scheme is changes. Why? Little changes every time is make to avoid the partiality or avoid about any type of different occurrence of misusing. So for that purposes, every time the sample questions you need to study, because every sample questions is more and more helpful for you. One thing here I have to tell you, those who are giving the first time examination, that is class 10th standard students, their exam will be from 21st February to 29th March. Now they're giving the first time board exam. So for those, obviously don't forget to download your sample question papers from the given website. I repeat the website once more: www.cbsc.nic.in. And the class 12s, they are giving second time exam. They are little bit experienced. Their exam will start from 15th February and it will continue up to 4th April. So all the exam will be completed by 4th April. So it is quite expected that by June everybody will get the result. Now here around 28 lakh students are expected to appear in CBSE class 10 and 12 exam as per their record, CBSE record. Now here one note I have to tell you that CBSE had made some minor changes for check the unfair means, and for that part of coming exam of 3-tier security check to ensure no paper leak issue. So for that purpose, obviously after completion of your total preparation also, don't forget to download the sample questions and try to solve it. Already I give you the link, therefrom you can do it. And another thing I have to tell you regarding this matter, that here for this purpose I am telling you that beside the student's uniform, here it is mandatorily given that the regular students and with uniform only allowed for their exam. Those students who will come without allowed, they are not allowed to give the admission to the center of examination. And it is also advisable that students must reach respective exam before 10 a.m. as the gate of center would be closed after that. So those students who are giving exam, don't forget to come within the time, and also don't forget to be proper uniformed. So you have to follow these rules because you are giving your board examination. Now I have to tell you the mark detail. It is mandatory for you, those who are giving. Here I will give you the marks details of the standard 10 only, not the standard 12, because they are little bit experienced. So at first I am starting with standard 10 because they are giving the first time examination. Now I start our discussion of mark scheme with the standard 10 science. So what is that? In case of the science stream, as per there is several section divisions is there. So the section divisions is that just like that. First one, section A. I already downloaded the mark scheme of 2019 from their website and taking the screenshot of that to help you, because from this video you will get that all detail. So here I am showing it also. Just you have to follow the screen just few minutes, just within a fraction of seconds you will get that detail also on your screen. Here also I am telling it to you also. Just one thing, this is the marking scheme. See here, section A, where the glucose or amino acid, there from the question number 1 marks question will come, and coliform bacteria, there from another question will come. This is group A. Now in group B, there the magnesium, chlorine, this all detail, this is given on the screen, where the magnesium plus chlorine, two particles will comes and gives you the MCl2, this type of bonding, what you can see from the screen, that is the solution of magnesium chloride conduct electricity because the ionic compound dissociates into the ion when dissolved in water. This type of this questions will carry 1 marks each question. So from group A you will get 2 questions, 1 and 2, and from group B you are getting 3, 4, 5. This all questions, and each questions will carry 2 marks. So here you can able to get that from question section B, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, and each questions will carry 2 marks. Now the section C terms is coming. Section C, that will carry 3 marks each questions. The question patterns is already given from the screen, you can follow, you can pause the video there from also, or you can download it details also. So here also you can get that from section C, it will come the questions. Several questions is coming on the screen, you can able to see. So there, so question 1, 2 was question group, then 5 question up to 7, and up to 15 questions is from C it is coming, and each question will carry 3 marks. Question number section D, then each question also carry 3 marks. There also you will get different type of chemistry related problems. On screen you can able to see that different balance checking or different others questions may come to your side. Nextly, the part of section E will come, where each questions will carry 2 marks, 2.5 marks, sorry, 2 marks. 2 marks carry question which will carry. So that way the questions will come. You can just go through it. It is also given you the detail. So after question section E, you will get all the marks details, and how it is divided you can able to get from the screen. So question section D, section E, everywhere what type of questions will come, I give you the screenshot totally. You can pause the video and you can check it. It will help you before giving exam. Just go through it. The mark scheme you can able to get. Now before leaving, I have to tell you, this is the marks division or mark scheme of science. It is also not applicable for other parts also. So for that we have to follow other parts also, because this other parts also give you the details of other subjects. Now here I am giving only the two things, the science and maths. For others you have to follow the link. Now for maths, first one I am showing you the screenshot also, because at first you have to be clear it totally, then only it is possible. But if you experience this one, then for math on other subject just you go through the scheme, it will be better for you. Not you don't like to follow all things. So for only for the science, I give you this all detail. But for maths or other subject, you don't need, because at first one subject, if it is you can able to in your grip, if you accustomed, then it will be better for you to go through it thoroughly others. Now after that, I am telling you about your math questions, math scheme. Now for math scheme, what I have to tell you, here also in the screen you are getting the screenshot of science marking scheme. Several times I told you, only because of that one question you should go through properly. Pause the video every time you can get, or directly from the link you can download it also. Now for maths, I am just jotting down it also. Not this elaboration is needed, because once you get it, then it will be clear to you totally. Now for math, I am giving this just in one grip. See it. Now here in section, several section divisions is also just like the science. Now one thing here I am telling once more, one elaboration is given, so it is just the brief way I give it to you. See, this is maths questions will given total 80 marks. Within 3 hours you have to complete this exam. Here the section A, section B, section C, section D and section E, these divisions you can able to get, where section A each question will carry 1 mark, section B each question will carry 2 marks, section C each question will carry 3 marks, section D each question will carry 4 marks, section E each question will carry 2 marks. In according to that, total 80 marks will be distributed and you have to answer from there. And as per order, you know, every question may be 8. There is an or is possible, but total or you will able to get. So these are the scheme I am giving for class 10. Class 12 you have little bit experience, so you can able to download it. Just go through it. The link is already shared. If you cannot able to get, just go back below. Also I am giving you this website details. Therefrom also the link you can able to get. Now at the end, about ending, I want to tell you that I think it is helpful for you, and those who are giving first time or second time board exam, before that just follow it. I think it will help you. And also I never forget to tell you one thing. You have to give the exam properly, and after that how was your exam, how it will, so please give it as your command. Therefrom I can able to get how your exam was. Okay, so at the end of the video I want to tell it to you, all the best to all of our those students who are giving their board exams for standard 10 or standard 12. And obviously for them, from our channel, it is the best wishes. So at the end, goodbye, and I am waiting for your comment, so don't forget to give that after giving your exam. And if you like, then don't forget to like this video. All the best to all my beloved students. Thank you for listening this video totally.